Sorry about that, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, sorry if you can't hear me with fans on, but today I'm gonna be showing you all the new fidgets that I got. I have like a lot of fidgets, and some of them I have already given away to my friends and my family. So there's just a couple things that are missing, just like at least two. I see. 3 things missing. So first we have this. So you know my giant purple stress ball that popped. So I have this new one, and it's mini, and it's really cool. I'll save. Actually, I'm gonna do it. I got a dimple digit, guys. Look at this. I'm literally so happy that I have this, and it's like really good. A little wet because I was outside playing. Got these 3 squishies. So first I got this cupcake keychain squishy. It's really cool. And it's scented. It smells like a cupcake. And I have this basketball slow rising squishy. This soccer slow rising squishy. And then I have these 4 mochis right here. I have these glow in the dark ones, a hedgehog, a bunny, normal ones, a panda, and a rubber ducky. So I have those mochis. I have some magnetic rings / roller wings, whatever people call them. And you're supposed to like spread. Really? You're supposed to like spread them apart from your fingers and then connect them back. Real? Oh my goodness, guys. Where did it go? It went all the way back there. I don't know if you... Oh, you can't see it. It's like... I don't know if you guys can see it, but it went all the way back there. And I don't like sticking my hands under there. Okay. Well, I guess I have 2. I got all of these monkey noodles. I'm just missing a couple, like 2. Yeah, I'm missing 2. Oh yeah, I did have... Okay, let me think how many things I gave away. 6 things, actually. So there were 2 other monkey noodles. They were a blue and a green one. But, that's okay. Good. Who was that? I think that was a fan or something. I don't know. But I have a monkey noodle. Once again, sorry if you can't hear me, but yep. This orange one, this pink one, this really long one, it's a purple one, and it's very good. And then this yellow one. So next we have a pop tube. I had a blue one and a purple one. I lost my purple one, but I gave away my blue one. So yeah. This is really easy. It's kind of like, I don't know really what happened to the middle, but I really like this. It's really cool. Something in my eye. Okay, next I have this mini cupcake poppet. And I'll tell you all the stores that I got this from. That I got all these fidget toys from. This ginormous dog puppet. I mean, it's not like ginormous, but it's pretty big for me. I did have a horse one, but I don't have it anymore. Like I said, I'll tell you where I got everything. Also, guys, the eyes pop too. And the nose. I mean, the mouth. So this is really cool. I got this penguin. This is really cool too. This ladybug. This glow in the dark pink puppet. It like sorry, there's just something in my eye. It's glow in the dark, and it like only glows in the dark on the edge, like the rim, and it's not on both sides. And then we have this one. You guys will probably know where this came from. I don't know if you will. So here it is. Really cool. Then lastly, for the poppets, well, lastly for everything I got, we have this glittery one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to like put some shading in it. It's like glittery, so it's really cool. So I'm gonna tell you guys where I got everything. First, I got this from Meyer. It's a stress ball. Oh no, I won't tell you what it is. I already did. I got this from Meyer. Got this from Amazon, and guys, it said it would be here in a week. 2 days later, it's here in the mailbox. So it came here today, and I was so happy because this is my dream fidget. This, and this. I just went there today. I'll show you everything that I got from. These are all from Dollar General that I'm showing right now. This squishy, this squishy, this squishy. And these 4 mochis. These are all 7 of these things are from Dollar General. And then these monkey noodles are from Target. And they're awesome. These roller rings are from Target too. I just can't find the other one. I mean, I found it, but I can't get it. I was really surprised when I saw these because I always wanted them, and they were at Target. So like, they're at like the little gaming section thing place. So I don't know, the gaming area place. This pop tube is from Five Below. It was a 3-pack, but like I said, I lost one of them and I gave one away. So I thought I haven't made a video in a pretty long time. I had like all kinds of stuff going on, so I couldn't really make a video. But watch this, guys. This is one of the longest videos I've ever made. Okay, this is from Five Below. This is from Target. This is from Walgreens. This is from Meyer. This is from the flea market. This is from the flea market, and this is from the flea market. Also a quick reminder, make sure to subscribe. I'll give you a 5-second start to subscribe, like, and comment. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, comment down below. Bye.